Really? Really? Yep. Playing that water. Oh, now you're gonna wipe your nose all over it. Why nobody wants to drink the water after you've been playing in it? Welcome to my vlog. Hemmed up. Yesterday I received the package of CBD cookies for the furry friends. And we decided we'll try them. Let's see who likes it and who doesn't.
I know it's been approved. I know it's quality ingredients. I read it. It looks like they're little like wafer cookies. You could probably break it into 4 pieces.
Let's see, 33 of them.
I really would prefer that if you're going to give it to the babies, like Tank,
I just want to see if they like
Mama, Rosie, the little girls.
Break it up.
Yeah. They could break it into 4 pieces.
Right. Yeah, they're probably thicker than these.
You don't want to have them get a reaction to it anyway.
Right. It's
Because
not.
you're going to be cleaning up dog diarrhea and vomit and shit if they get sick.
We'll find out. Yeah, we normally give them the Alpo little square blocks here.
I mean, I know it's just supposed to be good stuff, and I know Pooey's little ruffian and Bear, nothing to kill him, nothing to kill Willow.
Yeah.
But the first litter is pretty tough, other than Rose. But that second, third babies, and especially Tink,
I just want to see if they like it.
I know,
It's basically, I think, designed for older dogs. One bag.
and you know how I'm so protective of Tinkerbell
Everybody else
and everybody else.
watching the video. There we go. It shouldn't be anything. Let's see how hard. Smells like wheat.
Well, so that's sweet.
It's like a small cookie.
I already read the, oh, you're gonna talk. I already read the
Right.
ingredients.
It broke it in half.
Yeah, like
That
I
way.
said. It looks like a little ginger snap, but it's beef.
And it broke into 4 pieces. So there we go. We'll just try them on. Get 4 pieces.
I mean, Scooter, you know, he's got a hip.
Yep.
Or a knee or something. He's always had.
But they're gonna be picky, whether they like it or not, just by the smell. So
Bear
we'll wait and see.
might benefit from it because of the things on him. Bear might not.
Okay, let's see how we do. So you're the most finickiest one of them all.
No, that would be Bear.
There, Bear? How's that smell? Can you take it? Oh, you took it. Okay. Rosie, or Willie? You'll eat anything, I know. Pocky? He's a baby. Yeah. Rosie? Ow. You can pick anything. Tay-Tay? Here you go. Try that, Minnesota? You are the finickiest one.
She is. She says, I ain't eating that shit.
You either want, Willie won't. No? Lance?
Just try her again. Sometimes she waits till last.
I know. Wait,
Sometimes you've got to see
Today?
your mother eat it.
Mama. Yeah, Mama. She sits right up. You wanna try that? How's that smell? Ooh, Mama got it. You get it, Mama? You gonna try? You gonna come back around, Kiki? She's like, everybody else look at me. Yeah, I like it. No. Really? No.
Let me see if she'll take it from me. Maybe she just won't take
Okay.
it from
Well,
you.
that's fine.
Come here, Tippy. Take her.
Everybody
Come
like
here,
that?
Tinky.
Huh? Everybody got one?
Yeah, you want this?
Who's back?
Tinky? Tinky, what is that? Get away from the... Tinkerbell, come here, Tink. Tink. Tinker. Somebody left it under the table.
Somebody left it on the table.
Might have been Rose.
No?
She says,
Let's see if she eats the one on the floor.
She says, I'll take that one.
She took it. Okay.
That one she loves better.
I don't know, yeah, sometimes she's like,
I
she'd
think
rather...
it was Rose's.
Rosie? Rose?
I just gave her one.
Oh, okay.
I think she just took Tinkerbell's. It was either Tinky's or Pocket's, because Pocket would normally guard it whether she wanted it or not.
Okay. Looks like everybody ate one.
Rose might have ate
And
too.
everybody's back. What? Is it good now? Huh? There's more of a healthy treat. That's not, no, everybody liked it. Mom, did you like it? Give everybody help. What are you doing? Oh, you want some?
Is that more?
Give him a total of half a cookie. Here you go, Mama.
That was Pocket's. Don't give it to Rosie.
Okay.
This Pocket just set that under the table.
Pocket put it under the table so she'd come back later, and she didn't. She come back.
Don't give it to Rosebud,
she
because
got
she's
some.
had a double taste.
Rosie already had two?
I gave her the one under the table. I thought it was hers.
Oh, okay.
I wouldn't care if Willie had 2 cookies. I just got a little bit. Rosebud and Rosie and Tinky and...
I know Pocket stores hers till
There's
later.
your garden up.
You good? Everybody good? We? Lily?
Hey, you didn't get them scented things either.
Get those scented things. You go back over there and eat yours.
The slippers?
Did you like that? No? You gotta have she'd rather have it on the floor. Yeah? Okay. Everybody good, huh? Chi will get it off the floor. Pocky, get back over here. Pocket. Come on, baby. Come on. You better get it. Somebody's gonna eat it on you. Alright. So there we go. That's the taste test. So, alright. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, definitely share. And you can check out the dog treats with the link in the description. This is a couple hours after the kids have had about a half a cookie of the CBD cookies for them. They're all kind of mellowed out. Everybody's one in there, one over there, one in my spot, one under here. I think that'll be great for mellowing them out when we leave the house, because they all get spazzy, not knowing when we're gonna come home, of course, because they don't have a clue of time. But where Mama is? Where Mama? Where Mama Bear is?
Maybe she's outside. Sleeping in the tree.
But I believe it's gonna be just what we need because we give them a treat before we leave.
No.
So I think that stuff's gonna be really good before we leave because it'll calm them all down. Yeah, mama. Yeah, baby. Guess this one really likes that stuff, huh? Huh? Alright. Here we go. Bucky's finally eating it. Have anything for the feline that I'm aware of. You just get your fancy feast.